Hi everyone, it's Rachel here at Lasting Impressions Gifts in Manotick, and today I wanted to share with you some of the amazing bath and body products that we have available in store. So we have this collection from Loth Antique, and it's amazing. It's a line out of France, and it's absolutely luxurious. We have linen sprays, bubble baths, bar soaps, hand creams, body lotions as well. We also carry from the Times collection, we have the gold leaf as well as the olive leaf. And these again, luxurious bar soaps, bath salts, hand creams, bubble baths, really, really nice products. And of course we have our Perth soap collection. So we have a variety of scents in this line as well. We have the liquid soaps, the body lotions, as well as the bar soaps. So I also wanted to just show you some of the ways we can package up some of these items, because all of these items would make an amazing gift, whether it's a birthday gift, a thank you gift, a hostess gift, a shower gift, gift for yourself, a just because gift. So in the Perth soap collection, if you purchase 3 of the bar soaps, we can package it up in this gorgeous gift box, so it's all ready to gift. We also create gift sets. So this is just an example with the Perth collection. So it has a liquid soap, the lotion, as well as a bar soap. It's done up in this gorgeous little cello with this beautiful ribbon on it, all ready to gift. But we could do that with any of these items. We can create little gift sets for you if that's something that you're looking for. So all of these items that you're seeing here today, they are available in store as well as online at ligonline.ca. So feel free to check us out, come on by the store, or give us a call if you have any questions.